In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to uninstall Android system apps without root. ADB or Android Debug Bridge is a powerful tool that allows you to manage apps, packages on your Android device, including uninstall and system apps. So, follow these steps to uninstall system apps using ADB. First thing you need to do is to install the ADB drivers for your Windows. Just head to Google and look for ADB drivers and then install it. And next to the following step. On your Android device, go to Settings, About Phone. Tap on Build Number 7 times until you see a message saying you are now a developer. Go back to Settings and now you should see Developer Options. Enter the Developer Options and scroll down to find Enable USB Debugging. Next, connect your phone to the desktop via USB, and when prompt, change the USB connection mode to File Transfer. For Windows, navigate to the ADB directory in Command Prompt and type the following command to start the ADB and check if your device is connected, which is ADB space devices. You should see your device listed under List of Device if connected. Start the ADB shell with the following command: ADB space shell. To this, all installed packages use pm space list space packages. The list may be long. To narrow it down, use grep example to show Google packages, like pm space list space packages /grep Google. Next, identify the package name in the app you want to uninstall. The package name is entry after package, example, com.google.android.contacts. If unsure, you can find it on the app's Google Play Store URL. Use the following command to uninstall the app: pm space uninstall k user 0 package name. And replace package name, of course, with the actual package name of the app you want to delete. After running the command, you should see success if the uninstallation is successful. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Just do not remove Google Play Store or associated files. It's safe to uninstall apps like Gmail, Google Play Music, Google Play Movies, etc. And if the phone becomes unstable, either reinstall from Google Play Store or factory rest. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.